Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the details about the pointers available in C programming language. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic pointers available in the C programming language. First we will see what is the pointer. A pointer is a variable whose value is the address of another variable. So pointer is nothing but that is also a variable, but it will store the address of another variable. So pointer is used to store the address of the another variable. The syntax is data type star pointer variable, right? So it is indicated by star. Star indicates it is a pointer variable, right? We'll see the example integer star p. That is nothing but pointer to an integer variable. So the star p will store the address of the integer variable. Float star fp. So pointer to a float variable. So the star fp will store the address of the floating point variable, right? So pointer is the variable to store the address of another variable. It is indicated by star. Now we'll see the further details. So the star indicates value at the address. Value at address operator. Gives value stored at the particular address. So if you refer the star, what it will return? It will return the address at which what is the content of the address will be given by this star. This AND operator, address operator, it will give the address of the variable. The variable where it is stored, which address, it will give the address. So the star will give the variable, the address at which what is the value is stored. The AND address operator will give address of that variable. So accordingly we can able to use. If we want to get the address or variable value, we can use these two. For that we'll see some examples. Integer x. We declare the integer x, normal variable, integer variable. Integer star pointer. This is the pointer variable, right? X is the normal variable, in star ptr is the pointer variable. X equal to 10. The value 10 is assigned to the x. Pointer ptr equal to address of x. So what will happen? We'll see, right? X is the integer variable, star ptr is the pointer variable, 10 is stored in the x, address of x is stored in ptr. Let us consider the value is 10. The address is 4104. The integer 10 is stored in the address 4104. Now we'll see. So if we refer x, that value of x will be given. If you refer the x in the program, it will return value of the x 10. Star ptr, if you refer star ptr, that also it will give value of the variable x 10 will be written, right? X will give the value of the x. Star ptr also will give the value of x. The pointer at the address, in that address what is the content, that will be written by this star ptr. This ptr alone, pointer, it will give the address of the variable x 4104. So this address will be written if you refer ptr. So star ptr and ptr, address of ptr means that also will give address of the pointer, right? That is 4108. That is this 4108 is, that is the address of the 4104, right? So that's that tabular column is given here, right? X is stored in 10. X value is 10, that is stored in 4104. The address of x. This 4104 is stored in 4108. That is the address of the pointer variable. This address of the variable x, right? So it is very clear, I think. X is the value 10, that is stored in the address 4104. This 4104 is stored in the another address 4108. So if you refer x, it will return the content of the address 10. If you refer star ptr, that also content of the address 10 will be given. Only pointer if you refer, it will give 4104. Address of pointer means where this 4104 is stored in 4108. So it will give 4108, right? So we can get the value, address, content of the address, or the address, or address of the pointer. All these things we can able to get by referring this. I will go to the next point. So the next is the arrays using pointer. Now we refer the only single variables. If you want to give the set of variable, we are using array. How we are implementing pointer in the array. When an array is declared, the computer allocate a base address and sufficient amount of storage to contain all the elements of the array in the contiguous memory location. We know that array is the collection of set of data. So if we declare the array, the sufficient amount of memory will be allocated in order to store the set of data. For example, integer x of 5. What is the meaning? The x is the variable name, array name. Maximum 5 elements we can store. The type is integer. So this is given. The array elements are given here itself. Open the brace, 10, 20, 50, 45, 200. So these are all the 5 array elements. That is x of 0 is 10, x of 1 is 20, x of 2 is 50, x of 3 is 45, x of 4 is 200. Right. How it will be stored in the memory location? See, this is the element x of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The values are 10, 20, 50, 45, 200. So it is located in the address 1000, 1002, 1004, 1006, 1008. So earlier we discussed only one variable, here array set of variable. So this is the how the set of variables are stored in the memory location. Now we'll see how to access, how to refer this. So pointer variable integer star p, right? We declare one pointer variable star p equal to x. What is the meaning? X is stored in p, content of x, that is equivalent to p equal to address of x of 0, right? Address of x of 0, so both are equal. What is the meaning? Address of x of 0 stored in p, address of x of 1 stored in p plus 1. So array is a collection of elements. Similarly, pointer also will be incremented. Address of x of 2 will be stored in p plus 2. Address of x of 3 stored in p plus 3. Similarly, this also address is available. This is the address of x of 4 stored in p plus 4. Right? So we can simply refer x equal to p mean address of the array elements one by one will be stored in pointer variable. That is the meaning is this. P equal to address of x of 0. That refers from x of 0 to x of 4. That is, these addresses are all stored in pointer. 1000 will be stored in p, 1002 will be stored in p plus 1, 1004 will be stored in p plus 2, 1006 will be stored in p plus 3, 1008 will be stored in p plus 4. Right? Set of data, set of address stored in the pointer one by one. Right. Now we'll see the function with the pointers. How we can refer the function in the pointer. A function like a variable has a type and address location in the memory. It is therefore possible to declare a pointer to a function which can be used as an argument in another location. We know that function is a user defined set of program, right? Subprogram. Main program is there, function is the subprogram. Some specific task, repeated task can be declared as a function. So we can call the function, we can define the function will return the value. These are all available under function, right? So what is given here in the pointer? So if we declare a pointer to a function which can be used to argument in the another location, right? So another location, function calling, function return, we can use that pointer. The type star f ptr, open and close the brace. This f refers the function pointer. Normally ptr refers the pointer, f ptr refers the function pointer. This tells the compiler that f ptr is a pointer to a function which returns type value. The parentheses around star ptr are necessary. This parenthesis is necessary. right? So what is the meaning? Double mul integer comma integer, double star p1 open and close the brace, right? It is meaning that it will pass the array elements, pass the elements pointer. So p1 equal to mul, right? So mul p1 equal to, this is a pointer variable, is declared here, star pt1. So this is the pointer variable. So this value mul will be stored, that is clearly given here, pointer to a function which can be used as an argument in another location. So here we are passing the argument to this pointer, right? So we'll see the further. Declares p1 as a pointer to a function, mul as a function, and then make p1 to a point to the function mul, right? We know that p1 is a pointer to the function, mul is the normal function operator function. So that make p1 to a pointer to the function. P1 is the pointer to the function. So to call the function mul, we may now use the pointer p1 with the list of parentheses. Star p1 open and close the brace. So this is indicates the function call using pointer. We already discussed opening and closing brace is necessary. X comma y, right? Already p1 is assigned with the mul operator, mul function. So here we are passing x and y. We are calling the function mul using the pointer. So it is equivalent to mul xy, right? So this mul and p1 already assigned. So we can call, this is the normal calling mul xy. This is the calling the function using pointer, right? Similarly, we'll see the structure using pointers. How we are using the pointers in structure? struct, this is the keyword for creating the structure. The structure name is inventory. We know that structure is a set of different type of data that are related data. Array is a set of same type of data. This is different type of data. These are related each other related. That is, it is nothing but inventory, related to inventory. Character name, integer number, float price, then product to star ptr, right? So this is the three variables available in the structure inventory. One is inventory name, inventory number, price. Here we created the structure variables, product to. So it is nothing but structure variable using array. We can store two different data in this. Also one pointer is there, star ptr. So what is the meaning? This statement declares product as a array of two elements, each of them type structure inventory, right? So product of 2 means, so for example, product 1, product 2, like that we can declare. Otherwise product of 2 using array. So what is the advantage of array? We can declare n numbers. Here only 2 is declared. We can declare 20, 40, 50 like that, right? P1, P2, P3 mean very difficult. Similarly, we can do P product of 100 mean 100 data can be stored, 100 set of data. So that is given. And ptr as a pointer to a data object of the type structure inventory. So we are declared with pointer also. Now we'll see how we can use this pointer in the structure. What is the process? So ptr equal to product. Like p1 equal to mul, we assign the function with the pointer. Similarly, this product is now assigned with ptr. So what will happen here? Would assign address of 0th element of product to pointer, 0th element. That is, the pointer ptr will now point the product 0. It is a member can be accessed using following notations, right? Already product of two elements are there. After declaring, product of 0 will be assigned. So product of 1 will be also assigned after increment, 1 by 1. Like that, P1, P1 plus P1, P plus 1 like that. The array, while declaring the array, the pointers also incremented. Here also it will be incremented. So next set of address, product of 1 will be stored. So how we can refer? ptr name, ptr number, the arrow mark, ptr number, ptr price. The next one means we'll go with the product of 1 next time. PTR1, it may be PTR1, 2 like that, right? So this product is nothing but structure variable. Two variables are there, product of 0, product of 1. So that is assigned to the pointer. What is the meaning? The product of 0, now all the members will pointer will point out the product of 0. That is, these three variables are assigned in the address using the pointer. That can be referred using this pointer name, pointer number, this arrow mark. So this is the for loop is there. Pointer product. PTR less than product plus 2. PTR plus plus. Right, already we declared two variables now, so we can open the for loop. Now we'll see the example program for this pointer. So the program working a pointer. How we will come to know the working of pointer. Open the main program. Void main. Open the brace. Variable declaration. Integer star PC comma C. So C is the integer variable. Normal integer variable. Star P is a pointer variable that will store integer type data. The address of integer type data. Right. So one normal variable, one pointer variable. After clear screen, we go to the three different sets are available. First one is C equal to 22. We assign 22 to the variable C. Now we are printing. Print of address of C percentage D, that indicates integer. Slash n mean it will go to the next line. Address of C. We know that address of C mean it will print where this 22 is stored. It will give the address where it is, this 22 is located. Address of C. Printf value of C percentage D slash n integer type, go to next line. C means it will refer 22, right? So value of C mean it will print the value 22. Address mean it will print the address. So C refers value, address of C refers where the C is located, that address will be written, right? Now we'll go to the next model. C equal to address of PC equal to address of C. So this is a pointer variable. Address of C is stored in PC. Now we'll print address of pointer PC is what it will give. So at the PC contain address of C, right? The C is located in one address, that address is stored in PC. So it will give the where it is located, very similar to AND-C, right? Content of the pointer PC, star PC. So if you refer star PC, what will get? Will get the value, the address in which what value stored. Very similar here. So we are using different notation. And C give address of C where it is located. C will give the value. Star PT also will give the value. PC means it will give the address. After this statement, PC equal to and C, so that address of C is available in PC. While referring PC, we are getting address, right? And then C equal to 11. Now we are assigning C equal to 11. Printf address of pointer PC. Here we'll get the previous address only, because already address of C is printed. So where this C is available, that address will be printed. Content of pointer PC, this, that also it will print 11 only. Now the content of C is 11, right? So there are three different process. We process the three different methods. So add and C will give address, C will give value, PC will give address because we store the address here. Star PTR will give address, will give the value, this will value. PC will give the address. Star PC means this value, because now 22 is overwritten by 11. After get CH, we can close the program. Now we'll see the output for all the cases. So the first case, address is printed, then value is printed 22. Second case also address is printed and value. Third case also address is printed. Now the value is changed to 11, because initially we store 22 in C, then it is changed to 11, right? So and C will give the address. PC pointer variable will give address, and C normal C means value. Star PC means value, right? So that is the already we discussed, so that is we now executed with the program also. So in this video we discuss pointer available in the C program. What is the pointer, what is the definition, how we can use this pointer in array, structure and functions, and we discuss one sample program also. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.